On May 8th, 7 Italian artists began their cultural exploration in Chongqing. In an 8-day journey, they visited 8 districts and counties, deeply immersing themselves in the local culture and characteristics to seek inspirations for their creations. What's the meaning of this journey for cultural exchange? And how will this experience influence their creative process?
I think that everyone must visit China once in a lifetime. If you are an artist, you have to. It was my first time in China. It was very inspiring. Actually, they have a lot in common because they have both a lot of tradition and they have, the young people, don't want to follow the tradition anymore. So probably the most interesting part will be like to share and to change, the young people of Italy to the young people of China, and maybe see if they want to follow the other tradition, because sometimes you get bored because you know stuff. Maybe with a mix of the culture, it will be interesting again to see the ancient history and the forgot tradition. So when you travel, I think you have to delete your idea and then just go with the flow and get inspired by the world and also from the different point of view. So I will suggest to forget all the anxious and the idea that I already have about China, and just to be open-minded and get through the culture and see what has to offer. So I believe my colleagues have also other fun part and fun ideas that I've seen through their journey.
Infatti è difficile ricordare tutte queste immagini perché è come leggere un libro. Però ci sono delle simbologie che voglio ricordare. Per esempio che quando abbiamo visto il gatto con il topo e il bambù mi è sembrata una simbologia molto bella, questo di essere contenti anche per amori non corrisposti. Ma è un'ultima cosa che voglio dire, è una delle cose più belle ed essere qui, cioè essere insieme come l'uomo ha messo insieme la natura e l'artificio. In italiano artificio vuol dire qualcosa fatta dall'uomo, no? Quindi qualcosa che non è naturale ma nello stesso tempo fatta dalle mani dell'uomo. E questo è una tematica straordinaria per un artista, cioè la natura e l'artificio insieme. Non c'è niente di più bello.
A kind of society, because every cup or every bowl was a different story, but after broken, all stay together and meet. It's just a story of contemporary art. Yeah. I like.
Wir sind ihr, um zu verstehen, wie wichtig die Liebe ist. Für uns, für alle, für die Menschen. Alles rotiert um Liebe, um Kreativität. Kunst ist Liebe, Kunst ist Kreativität. Ohne Liebe, du kannst nichts machen. Ich liebe Kunst, ich bin ein Künstler und diese Geschichte inspiriert mich.
If you want a vacation, if you want to spend time in art and experience real nice architecture, come to Chongqing because it's worth.
One of the best moments was when we were in Chongqing and okay, they told us, oh, we're gonna see the drone show, but to see from the other point of view, that's, you know, the gift. You cannot see from the behind, from the computer, to see how it works. And also to spend here some nights in nature. I never been to a forest, a bamboo forest, so being able to come here and just relax and think about the idea, it's a really wonderful gift. Normally when I create art, I'm behind my computer, so I have to do the research and everything, but to see through my eyes, there is nothing like this, so that's the best way. Artists like me can get inspiration from everything, but the important stuff is to note the details of the stuff, because sometimes you walk around and you miss, you know, the little details that can tell you more about the place.
Let's breathe!